Hi, my name is Priyanki Das. Currently, I am working as a data science engineer at CXsphere, which is a Canada-based startup. Previously, I was into academics after completing my post-graduation in mathematics, followed by some few assignments for the teaching role in the same field. After spending my few years into academics, I understood my interest lies in application of the mathematical and statistical concepts. Thus, I decided to pursue my career in data science so that I can apply my skills in the live business applications. When I started my learning in the field of data science, I definitely had a few hiccups, but gradually, with the regular practice of coding, I'm able to sail very thoroughly, sail smoothly, and definitely it is due to the amazing instructors of INSEE backed up my backing up with my previous knowledge of mathematics, and I am really enjoying my transition with the passing days. After completing my studies, I tried my hands in teaching. In 2017, towards the end of 2017, I got married and took a brief pause in my career. In 2019, I thought to restart my career, for which I have joined the data science program in SAID. I tried to brush up my mathematical concepts, practicing with the data science projects. And in this transition process, I did two internships. One is from a Bangalore fintech company called Nazvi Solutions LLP, and the other one is from my the present organization CXsphere. Later on, they gave me a permanent position for the data science engineer role. So when I thought to start my career in the field of data science, I searched for many institutes, online and offline, which can provide data science programs. But after many evaluation, I found the INSEAD data science program to be the best, as it offers an in-depth conceptual and practical insights at a valuable, affordable value. And definitely and this is definitely because of the instructors who play a vital role to shape up the career, shape up my career, and I'm really thankful to the entire INSEAD team for that. First thing I'd like to say I enjoy working in my current organization as because of its diversity, openness, and the opportunities for growth. Currently in my organization, as we are working from home, my day starts with evaluating the points which were discussed in the day before team huddle, and also I prioritize the tasks which was advised by my manager. Currently, I am working on a project which is based on NLP and also some logic testing for a renowned matrimony client. My advice for the data science beginners is to listen, learn, act, and repeat. When we say listen, listen to your instructors, mentors, and managers thoroughly. And when I say learn, learn the concepts and please deep dive into it. And through act what you to what you learn, and try to apply it in the business problem, and to give a business value to it. And while I say repeat what you learn in the data science field as you progress. This is what I think. This is the mantra for the data science beginners. Thank you and all the best.